Hello, my name is Chef Bilal. I'm Chief Instructor in ICCA Abu Dhabi, and today I will show you how we French a rack of lamb. For that we need this red cutting board. We use it just for the red meat, and we use this boning knife to remove the flesh from the bone. And also we have this butcher twine. We use it for trussing, and today I will show you how I will use this trussing to remove the flesh from the bone. Okay, so that's why I will just separate a little bit and remove a little bit of the fat like this, and also I will open it from here like this. I separate all the fat, and now I will use the butcher twine between every single lamb chop, and I turn it like this and just tie well, and I remove like this. I have this clean bone. Frenching, we just do it for nice presentation and well looking for our plate. This is the final French rack of lamb. Thank you for watching. Bye.